Welcome to our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, bud. Boba Nugget Biscuits. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Yep. Boba Grain snacks. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Woo! Alright. Done it. Done it. Done it. Done it. Done it. Popcorn! Boba flavored popcorn. Okay. Well, that's what we got for you today. Wow! You guys like that? All these Boba snacks to try today?
Yes.
Boba flavored snacks to try today. You like it, huh? Which one do you want to try first? Pick one. 1, 2, 3. 3? Chad wants 3. I think he's really looking forward to this one. Alright, let's just... They're in the way.
Okay.
I want you to be able to see me. Just stay. Stay. Don't run. You want that one?
Yeah, I'll try
Oh, the Boba Nugget Biscuit.
Now got it. Now got it.
Interesting. Okay, yeah. Ready? You want to open it?
Sure.
Do the honors. Go ahead.
Oh.
Little tear right there. Little tear.
Okay.
Tear.
Oh.
Oh, that was a fail.
Kind of. Oh well.
It's alright.
Okay.
Let's leave it. What does it look like? Oh! Oh! Individually wrapped. Woo! Woo! Okay. There's quite a few in here.
Yes.
I think it's a good amount. They're not very expensive snacks either. Like 5 something for this, I think. 5 something for that. Like 3? Something like that. Alright, well we got this. They come individually wrapped, so if you want to just take a few to go on a little trip or just going hiking or something, I think they would be good. Look, they come like this. Alright, well, we ready? Ready, Chad?
Mm-hmm.
Ready, Freddy?
Who's ready?
I don't know. So this is, let's see. So we got, it's called the Nugget Biscuit. There's like 2 crackers, and in between 2 crackers, according to the picture, it looks like some kind of filling or something is gonna be there. Let's see what they really look like in real life. Oh! Oh!
They smell kind of...
Ooh! I like it. I like the smell.
I was gonna say the smell kind of reminds me of those Hello Panda snacks, but they.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh yeah, see? Look at this. 2 crispy crackers on top and on the bottom, and in the middle you got a little filling, and it's obviously this boba flavored. Just boba flavored, nothing special or anything like that. Square, crispy cracker on the front or top, however you want to hold it, and bottom. Square, crispy cracker. The boba filling in the middle. Kind of feels a little sticky. I feel it a little bit on the side coming right there. It feels a little sticky right now. Well, anyway, let's try it. Cheers! Cheers, guys! Let's see. It's different. Okay, I go first. Ready? Okay, you do get the crunch from the crackers. They're like a saltine cracker without the salt. Then you got like a chewy, gooey, sticky middle. And you can taste the boba pearl or bubble. They might be called bubbles or something like that along that line. But that's what you can taste. They get like a crunch. I don't really know how to describe the boba flavor. Like what?
It's like boba.
Boba, yeah, but what? Yeah, I mean, maybe like a little brown sugar flavor, I think. Or something, let's see.
So it's fully baked.
Okay, what do you got?
ជាងចិត្តក្រៃនឹកស្រមៃដល់ថ្ងៃស្នេហា
And yeah, it is very gooey on the inside.
Very gooey. That's a good way to put it too. I got sticky. Same thing, I guess. But yeah, it's definitely different. We got Daisy. Hi, Daisy. But that's what we got for this one. I mean, I like it. It's definitely interesting. Definitely something different. Good to try. Need to be a little bit open-minded. Yeah? You like it?
I'm not the best Bubba fan, but it's for people who like Bubba flavored stuff. It's good.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. It's just definitely different to have. Okay, well, let's try the next one. All right, you guys. So here's the second one. This is another Boba one. As you can't tell, today's video is going to be about trying Boba snacks. So we got this Boba Grains snack. Looks like a little like cake kind of thing.
Yeah.
Doesn't it, huh?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me. Let's open it and find out. I gotta open this one. There we go. Mom's much more pleasant. Ooh. Destructive. Wow, that's what they look like. They look little. Alright, so that's what they come. Also, individually wrapped. So if you do like them, you can take them hiking and stuff like that too. Yeah. Alright, so let's try these. Alright, here's one. Okay.
Here we go. Wow.
Oh, wow. Okay. They're small, square-like, squishy-like. Oh, okay. This is going to be interesting. So far we got small, square, squishy. Cheers. Cheers. Take a bite. Oh. Very interesting. No. They're a little different than with the picture. The picture shows like a... I was expecting like a little white frosting on there a little bit, but there's not.
Yeah.
But maybe just all melted and blended in. Might be all just blended together. They're very soft. Actually, really good. I like this one a lot. I will eat this one a lot. The other one, it was different. I think is we something. I think with the Nugget Biscuits, I think definitely would have to be something you'd have to eat a little bit and kind of get used to. But I like this one, the first taste. These are very good. They're very chewy. They have a nice flavor, subtle flavor to it. They are small, square, soft, and chewy. I really like them. You can taste like little bobas in there, just small little pieces, like they were just kind of all chopped up in there. It's really good.
Yeah.
You know what?
They have different flavors other than just the boba. And it's a really good balance of like these different sweet flavors that balances the boba out. And I actually really like them. I actually like these ones.
I have to agree with that. You can taste a little bit of everything instead of just plain old. Like, I think the first one that we tried, I wanted to add to kind of dry because of the cracker. It kind of tasted a little dry at first, huh?
Yeah, it's just cracker boba.
Yeah. But yeah, these ones are good. Sorry, I just doubled you. These ones are good. I like this one. Yay! All right. Well, we're gonna bring in the next one. We'll be right back.
Oh, popcorn.
Pop Smile? It's popcorn. Boba flavored. Ah, what? Seriously? Woo! All right.
I saw in the store, was like, popcorn? Boba?
Okay. Okay.
Who gets to open it?
Grab here.
Okay.
Yay! Yay! Now don't be so destructive, young man.
Okay.
Ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. Peek, 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 peek. Oh!
តែស្នេហ៍បានដូចបងណត្រជាងចំពោះនួនល្អស្គាល់ច្បាស់ចិនបង
It's popcorn. Popcorn. Oh. Ooh. Wow.
Looks like two different types of popcorn.
It does look like two different types of popcorn. One is probably a caramel or a brown sugar, because I think that's what boba is, a lot of brown sugar, or something like that. Well, anyway, popcorn. Cheers.
Peppercorn. Okay. Cheers.
Quite interesting. It really just, honestly, my personal opinion, tastes like a caramel popcorn. I don't really taste the boba flavor in it.
Yeah.
I don't taste it in there. I'm disappointed in that fact that I can't taste the boba in there, but it's good. It's good popcorn. It's a nice, big, fluffy piece of popcorn, coated generously, but not over-coated with the boba flavoring.
But I guess maybe it's more flavor.
But I'm thinking, it's like a little hint of the boba flavor. It's not overpowering. You still taste the popcorn in there and everything. I like it, and that's a good flavor, but I was expecting, because of the other two when we tried them, I could really taste the boba flavor in it and stuff like that, so I was expecting to have a little bit more, even like the darker colored ones. See how that's darker colored compared? I don't know why they're different colors. Maybe one is actually the boba. I don't know.
Kind of taste the milk tea.
You can kind of taste it. It's very subtle. So, I mean, what do you think? You're someone that's not really into boba. Would that be something that you can handle more of?
Yeah. It just tastes like a sweeter caramel.
It does taste very sweet. Yeah. I'm not.
I think it's just a slightly sweeter version of this popcorn.
Yeah. That's. I agree with that. I'm not disliking it. I like it, except for I really thought it was gonna have a stronger boba flavor, but I like it, and I think it's really good. Fluffy, crunchy, light boba flavor popcorn. Okay, you guys. So for the star ratings, I'm going to do this one first. The Boba Nugget Biscuit. Yeah, the Boba Nugget Biscuit. On this one, I think I give it like, I'm gonna go 3-star.
Okay.
It was kind of dry, which I really didn't mention that at first. The cracker was, it was good, but I just think overall, it tasted kind of dry and really chewy. It was definitely different to eat. So 3-star.
I'm thinking probably either 2.5 or 3.
Okay.
I'm not the greatest Boba fan, so I think I'll put it down to 2.5.
Okay. Alright.
And it's also just the same thing. It's dry. It's kind of hard.
Alright, sounds good. Okay, let's do the popcorn.
Okay.
The popcorn one, I'm gonna go. Also, I'm sticking to 3.5 with it because I really felt that there could have been a little bit more of a boba milk flavor in there. I felt like it was more of a sweeter caramel flavor with a hint of milk. I didn't feel like it had a full boba flavor. But I liked the popcorn in general.
Yeah. It was a good popcorn. It was. I'd say 3.5 and yeah,
Alright. Now for this one, the grain snack. I like this one better than the rest of them, so I'm going to bump it up to a 4-star. I like that they're smaller. They were soft and not hard and crunchy like I was kind of picturing from the picture. I was expecting hard and crunchy, a little bit harder to chew and stuff like that, but I think this one is really good. I think this one's my favorite of them all. It had a nice subtle boba flavor. It was just right, no, not overpowering, not too less. And I like that it's a little bit on the smaller side, like a bite or two.
I actually really like this. These ones, they were just really just having really nice flavor to it, and just balanced out the Bubba and stuff like that. Like I said before, and I'd say 4.5.
Ooh, all right. For not liking boba, those must be really good.
Yeah.
Not a big boba fan here.
Alright, you guys, that'll do it for now.
Thank you for watching our
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day.
Woo! Hope you enjoyed. Love you guys.